morning to all. Today we are going to learn the remaining portion of lesson Cities of India, Kolkata. What all things we learned in the previous class? Yes, we learned about Kolkata. We learned about Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of which state? Yes, West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of which state? West Bengal. Okay, in the earlier period, the Kolkata has named Calcutta. Kolkata has in the earlier period, Kolkata's name was Calcutta. Kolkata's name was Calcutta. In the year 2001, the name Calcutta was renamed into Kolkata. Renamed into Kolkata. Next, what we learned? Yes, we learned that Kolkata is a famous city which is situated near the river Hooghly. Which is situated near the river Hooghly. Okay, then the city is not near the sea coast, but the river connects the city with the sea, that is Arabian Sea. The city connects the river Hooghly river connects the Kolkata city with the sea, Arabian Sea. Okay, next we learn about the climate of Kolkata. The Kolkata has a moderate climate. The Kolkata has a moderate climate throughout the year. During summer season, the city are warm and humid. The city are warm and humid during the summer season. During the winter season, the city are not very cold, but it is cold during winter season. Then during the rainy season or monsoon season, the city gets more rain. The city gets more rain because the city is the city is near the sea, not Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. Okay, it's my mistake, all of you. Sorry. Then the sea near the sea coast, that is Bay of Bengal. Okay. Next we learned about Kolkata's history. We learned about Kolkata's history. In the earlier period, the Kolkata has contained so many small villages. Kolkata contains so many small villages. So many small villages, and it is not a famous or big city. Then the British decided to set up huge factories in the Calcutta, in this area, the Kolkata's area. Then the cities began to grow up into a big city. Then in the year 2001, the official name of Kolkata was given by the city Calcutta. Okay. Next we learn about Kolkata's transport. The Kolkata contains all means of transport. The transport facilities available in Kolkata are trams, then what? Ferry, rickshaw, bus, car, metro. These are the transporting facilities available in the city Kolkata. Next one, the tram means an electrical vehicle. It is developed with electricity. That vehicle is move on to the same public or common road through the rails. It or includes or it what's in it take peoples and goods. The trams take peoples and goods. Okay. So once again, the tram is it's a vehicle that goes through the public road through the rails, and also it is working with under electricity and working under developing electricity. Okay. Next, another one we learned, that is the main railway station we can see in the Kolkata city is Howrah railway station. Howrah railway station. Howrah railway station. Next one, the main airport or the main airport found in the Kolkata city is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. These all things we learned in the previous class. Okay. Today we are going to learn about the interesting places of Kolkata. Interesting places of Kolkata. Okay. The interesting places found in Kolkata cities are, first one, Rabindra Setu. First one, interesting places. Interesting places of Kolkata. Interesting places of Kolkata. First one, Rabindra Setu. Rabindra Setu. First one, Rabindra Setu. Second one, Fort William. Second one, Fort William. Second one, Fort William. Third one, Victoria Memorial. Third one, Victoria Memorial. Third one, Victoria Memorial. Fourth one, Botanical Garden. Fourth one, Botanical Garden. Fourth one, Botanical Garden. These are the interesting places found in the Kolkata city. First one, Rabindra Setu. First one, Rabindra Setu. Second one, Fort William. Third one, Victoria Memorial. Fourth one, Botanical Garden. Then, first one, Rabindra Setu. First one, the interesting places found in the famous city Kolkata. First one, Rabindra Setu. The Rabindra Setu was earlier known as Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge. Rabindra Setu is earlier known as Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge. Okay, Rabindra Setu is, in earlier period it is known as Howrah Bridge. This bridge connects the city of Howrah to the main city of Kolkata. What is the peculiarity of the Howrah Bridge? The Howrah Bridge connects the city of Howrah to the main city of Kolkata. It connects the city of Howrah to the main city of Kolkata. Okay. Then next one. Then there are no pillars to support the bridge. Another peculiarity for Howrah Bridge or Rabindra Setu is there is no pillars to support. No pillars to support the bridge. No pillars to support the bridge. It looks like a hanging bridge. No pillars. It looks like a hanging bridge. It looks like a hanging bridge. It looks like a hanging bridge. Okay, it looks like a hanging bridge. Okay. cable stayed bridge. We can see the Howrah Bridge in the textbooks. So here we can see that it is we can see it is over the across the river. Then it has no pillars. It looks like a hanging bridge. Okay. Next one, Fort William. Next one, Fort William. Next one, Fort William. Fort William is an interesting place found in Kolkata. Fort William is an interesting place found in Kolkata. Okay, Fort William. Fort William is an interesting place found in Kolkata. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Banks situated. It is situated on the banks of the river. Banks of the river Hooghly. It is situated banks of the river Hooghly. It is situated banks of the river Hooghly. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Okay. Then it is the oldest structure found in Kolkata city. It is the oldest structure found in Kolkata cities. Okay. Then it was built by British. It was built by British. It was built by British. Built by British. It was built by British. So it is the oldest structure, oldest place found in Kolkata. It is the oldest place found in Kolkata, Fort William, because it is built by British. Because it is built by British. Okay. Next one. Next interesting place is Victoria Memorial. Next one, Victoria Memorial. Next one, Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial was also built during the British rule. It is also built during the British rule. Then it was built to honor Queen Victoria. It was built to honor Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria. So it is called Victoria Memorial. So it is called Queen Victoria. So Victoria Memorial. So it is also built during the British rule. Then it is made of white marble. 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 Okay. What if you understood? It is made of white marble. Once again, first one, Ravindra Setu. First one, Ravindra Setu. Ravindra Setu was earlier known as what? Howrah Bridge. The Howrah Bridge, which connects the city of Howrah to the main city of Kolkata. It has no pillars. The Ravindra Setu has no pillars, so to support the bridge. So it looks like a hanging bridge. Next, another Vidyasagar Setu. Vidyasagar Setu is the India's first cable stayed bridge. Then it connects the city Howrah to Kolkata. Next, we learn about Fort William. Fort William is the old structure found in the famous city Kolkata. It is built by the British rule. Then it is built or it is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Next one, Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial was built during the British rule and it is built to honor Queen Victoria, and also it is made of white marble. botanical garden. Next one, botanical garden. Next one, botanical garden. The main attraction of botanical garden is a huge banyan tree. The main attraction of botanical garden is a huge banyan tree. Huge banyan tree. Huge banyan tree. Huge banyan tree. Huge banyan tree we can see in the botanical garden. It is the main attraction of botanical garden. This is the main attraction of botanical garden. A huge banyan tree is found in the botanical garden. Okay, it is believed to be hundreds of years old. The banyan tree has banyan tree has hundreds of years old. Hundreds of years old. Hundreds of years. Hundreds of years old. The banyan tree, it is believed that the banyan tree has hundreds of years old. Well, it is believed to be hundreds of years old. The main attraction of botanical garden, the main attraction of botanical garden is a huge banyan tree. It is believed that hundreds of years old. Hundreds of years old. Then the roots of these trees are spread over a large area. The roots of this huge banyan tree spread over a large area. The roots of this huge banyan tree spread over a large area. Then there are other rare trees, bushes, shrubs, herbs, etc. are found in the botanical garden. Then botanical means botany. Botanical means the garden which contains plants. Botany, which is the botany means it is branch of science which leads to the study of plants. So in the botanical gardens we can see so many types of plants, shrubs, trees, herbs, etc. So here the most attraction of botanical garden is a huge banyan tree. It is believed that hundreds of years old. Its roots are spread over a large area. Then many another trees, shrubs, herbs, etc. we can see in the botanical garden. Okay, then some other places of interesting places found in Kolkata are Indian Museum. First and third, or next one, fifth one, Indian Museum. Then sixth one, Indian Museum. Sixth one, Birla Planetarium, Belur Stadium. Birla Planetarium. Next, Belur Math. Seventh, Belur Math, etc. Then these are another interesting places of Kolkata. First, Indian Museum, then Birla Planetarium, then Belur Math. Next one, Eden Gardens is the largest cricket stadium of India. Is located in Kolkata. It is the largest cricket stadium of India. It is situated in the famous city Kolkata. That is Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens is the largest cricket stadium of India. It is the largest cricket stadium of India, Eden Gardens, which is situated in Kolkata. India's largest cricket stadium, that is Kolkata, that is situated in the Kolkata city, and that is Eden Gardens. Okay, all of you understood about botanical garden and the most interesting places of Kolkata. First one, ready Vidyasagar Setu is another bridge built over the river Hooghly, which connects the Kolkata city to the Kolkata to Howrah. Okay, it is India's longest cable stayed bridge. Okay. Next we learn about Fort William. Fort William was situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Fort William was situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. It is the oldest structure found in Kolkata. It is built by British. It was built by British. Okay. Next one, then Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial was also built by the British during the British rule, and it is built to honor the Queen Victoria. Then Victoria Memorial. Next one, Botanical Garden. In the Botanical Garden, the main attraction of Botanical Garden is a huge banyan tree. Then it is believed that hundreds of years old. Then its roots are spread over a large area. Then in the Botanical Garden, so many another trees, shrubs, herbs, then bushes, etc. we can found in the Botanical Garden. Then another interesting places of Kolkata are Indian Museum, then Birla Planetarium, then Belur Mart, etc. are the interesting places of Kolkata. Next, the largest cricket stadium found in largest cricket stadium of India is located in where? Kolkata. Which is the largest cricket stadium in Kolkata? That is Eden Gardens. Okay. Next we move on to the people of Kolkata. Next we move on to the people of Kolkata. We know that in each state or each city or each places people are different from one another. So people of Kolkata. People of Kolkata. Okay, all of you listen. The people of Kolkata are very fond of sports. The people live in Kolkata are very interesting to sports field. Where they are very interesting to sports field. Then for sports like football and cricket. Football and cricket are the two popular sports that they follow Once again, the people of Kolkata are more interesting in the sports field. The cricket and football are the two popular sports they are interested. Okay, next one, the languages. Language of people of Kolkata. So Bengali is the main language of Kolkata. Then another languages are also spoken by the people of Kolkata. They are Hindi, English, Bengali, etc. are the languages spoken by the people of Kolkata. Next one, the food of Kolkata. Rice and fish are the main foods of Kolkata. Rice and fish are the main foods of Kolkata. Then the sweets of Bengal like Rasgulla, Sandesh, then Khirkhada and Mishti Doi are popular across the country. These are the sweets food items popular in the Kolkata city. Then rice and fish are the main foods of Kolkata. Rice and fish are the main Kolkata. Next, the festival celebrated by the people of Kolkata. All the main festivals of the country are celebrated in Kolkata. All festivals are celebrated by the people of Kolkata. Next one, the most important festival of Kolkata. The most important festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja. Durga Puja. Then during that time, they celebrated with great pomp and show. And here we can see the Durga Puja. They celebrated with great pomp and show. Then they wear dhoti and kurta. They wear dhoti and kurta. The most important festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja. Durga Puja, they celebrated with great pomp and show. Then they wear dhoti and kurta. Their traditional dress of men. The traditional dress of men in Kolkata are dhoti and kurta. Then sari is the traditional dress of women. Sari is the traditional dress of women. Then the city also produces some important products such as jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals. Then the two important occupations of the area are agriculture and fishing. Then the important products available in Kolkata are jute products. Then silks, rice, paper, etc. are available in Kolkata. Then the occupation of most of the people's occupation of Kolkata are agriculture and fishing. They produce chemicals also. Okay, students, once again about the people of Kolkata. Then the people of Kolkata are interesting in the sports field. They are very interested in football and in cricket. Then their languages are, the main language of Kolkata is Bengali. Then Hindi and English are also spoken by the people of Kolkata. Then the important food of Kolkata are rice and fish is the main food of Kolkata. Next, all the festivals are celebrated by the people of Kolkata. The main festival celebrated by the people of Kolkata is Durga Puja. Then the traditional dress of men is dhoti and kurta. The traditional dress of women is sari. Then the products made by the people of Kolkata are jute. Then they make silk, rice, paper and chemicals. Then the main occupation of the people of Kolkata are fishing and agriculture. Okay, so our lesson is over. Next we move on to our exercise portion. Okay, first one, choose the correct answer. First, Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river. In which bank? Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river. Which river? Yes, Hooghly. Kolkata is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Then Kolkata has a dash climate. Kolkata has a moderate climate. Then Kolkata is located near the dash. Kolkata is located near the Bay of Bengal. Next, Kolkata is in the state of dash, West Bengal. Next, what was the earlier name of Kolkata? Calcutta. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, Kolkata is famous for a unique means of transport known as the tram. We know that tram is the unique means of transport in Kolkata. Tram is a vehicle move on the public road through the rails. They are working under electricity. Next, Calcutta was renamed to Kolkata in the year 2001. Kolkata is famous for the production of dash items. Yes, jute items. Next, men of Kolkata traditionally wear dash and kurta, dhoti and kurta. Dash Setu is the longest cable-stayed bridge in India. Which is the longest cable stayed bridge in India? Vidyasagar Setu is the longest cable stayed bridge in India. Next, answer the following question. First one, describe the climate of Kolkata. Describe the climate of Kolkata. What is the climate of Kolkata? Yes, Kolkata has a moderate climate. Next, name some important tourist attractions of Kolkata. Name some important tourist. First, Ravindra Setu, Fort William, then Victoria Memorial, Botanical Gardens, then Birla Planetarium, Indian Museum, then Behmar, etc. are the important tourist attractions of Kolkata. Which languages are spoken in Kolkata? Bengali, Hindi and English. Which is the most famous bridge of Kolkata? That is Ravindra Setu. What is so special about it? That we know that Ravindra Setu has no pillars to support them. It looks like a hanging bridge. That is the special about the bridge with Ravindra Setu. So our lesson is over. So let's wind up the class. All of you read your text, then write your notes in your notebook. After writing the notes, take a photo and send it to me. Thank you.